everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I just got some fabrics in the mail from Measure Fabrics. They are a fabric store that is located in Savannah, Georgia. I also have the link to their website down in the description box so you can check them out from there, and I also have a list of these fabrics that I have down below. Yes, I already opened the box. But I haven't sewn anything. Everything is still packaged up, so I figured it would be awesome to go ahead and share them with you today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's open this box up. Look at these. I'm so excited. Let's dig into it and trash the box now. I love how they do their packaging. I think it's so cute. Let me move this. Have a little thank you card. And a look at these amazing fabrics. Love, love, love. Okay, so first let's get into the details of what they are. And I have a list for me behind here that lists out everything that I have. So this first one here, this is a Twill Plaid Viscose, and it feels amazing. It's really, really nice. I love the feel of this. It's a little, you can hear that. But I really do love it. I think this would be really great for a nice blouse. It'd be really great for a cami. I have a little bit over a yard and 3/4 of it, so I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna make out of it, but I love it. And again, this is a Twill Plaid. It's a viscose. So I have that one. I'm gonna set that to the side. The next one I have here is a yellow and white gingham. This is just a cotton fabric, and I have 2.5 yards of this. I love this gingham fabric. I think this would be perfect in a really nice classic button up. In this gingham, you could pair it with some denim, skirt. I mean, you can go to town with dressing this up or dressing this down. So again, I have 2.5 yards of it. I may go with the button up shirt. I don't know. Button up shirts at the top of the list, but I will see though. My idea may change a little bit, but I love this. Again, it's just a cotton, a yellow and white gingham cotton. So I have that here. This one right here is probably my favorite. This is a triple stretch sateen twill, and I love this. I think this would be really fabulous in some nice pants for fall. It'll also be nice in a nice skirt, maybe a pretty jacket too. I have 3 yards of this, so I definitely have some options on what I want to make. Maybe a pencil skirt and maybe a jacket. Pencil skirt only need a yard of fabric for that. So yeah, definitely have some options with this. And again, it is a sateen twill. So it's a cotton and it's a nylon. So those are the 3 fabrics that I have. Again, these fabrics are from Measure Fabrics. If you're interested, just click the link in the bio. It'll take you right to their site. And yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I really, really love these fabrics and I can't wait to create. Be sure to follow the blog so you can see what I make with these. And that's all, y'all. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.